What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video. And today we're talking about JustPlay once again. This video is gonna be really short, but I had just checked my email and I seen that JustPlay support sent out an email, and so I wanted to share this email with you guys and talk about it a little bit in this little video. And I want to know if you guys received the same email, and see if it's the same email. And but yeah, let's just jump into it. So this email, it pretty much says, welcome to JustPlay, and they say that they want to share 3 important tips with earning with JustPlay, and it says welcome to JustPlay. And then so they give you 3 tips to earning with them, and their 3 tips are, the first tip is, it says you can earn all day, you can cash out every 3 hours, so you can get paid all day. And the best way is to play a bunch of different games through JustPlay. And then the last tip is to do offers for huge payouts. And those are the 3 tips that they tell people to go by to use JustPlay. And so I got this email, and I thought I'd make, a short little video and run it by everybody and see if you guys have seen the same email in your inbox. I just thought it was kind of weird because I've never received one of these emails before, and I'm not sure if there's a few emails that JustPlay uses, but this one is from the like JustPlay, I don't know, support or something like that. And I don't know, I just wanted to see if you guys received the same email. And those are the 3 tips that was in this email. And at this point in time, we all already know like what to do and how to earn fast on JustPlay. And if you guys are new to JustPlay and you're just finding out about it through this video, go back through my review playlist on YouTube and watch my JustPlay videos. I have like 3 of them, 4 of them including this one. So yeah, but I just wanted to run that by you guys and see if you guys received the same email. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for the support. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for commenting on the videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.